People pay to be healthy. The most profitable add-on is going to be indoor air quality, making the air you breathe in your home clean and safe. UV lights, UVC lights, ozone that kill all the mold spores, bacteria in your air, that kill viruses in your air, protect your air conditioning from growing mold. Your air conditioning system is a completely closed, dark, wet, hot, and cold cave. What grows inside there? Call somebody up just to pop a duct off of your supply plenum, pop a duct off of your return plenum. Look inside there. You will buy the most profitable add-on that we sell, which is indoor air quality. I don't feel bad about the profits on that in any way at all, because the profit on it and the benefits to the customer are so equal.